Hey there, this is Hunter Riley, 3, author of Stack Silver Get Gold, creator of Stack Silver Get Gold by Bitcoin.com. And in this quick video, I just want to go over an article I just wrote in case you don't want to read it, um, on whether or not we think Bitcoin is in a bubble. Okay. So if you want to read this full article, just look in the notes below this video for the link. So is Bitcoin in a bubble? Well, first of all, Bitcoin has been in many bubbles since it started. For instance, in 2011, Bitcoin was in a bubble, okay, and then it crashed. So it bubbled up to $32 and then it crashed all the way back down to $2. Okay. And in fact, Bitcoin crashes at least once per quarter. And each one of those crashes is 30% or more, some as high as 70%. So Bitcoin likes to go up and likes to go down. There's lots of FUD and there's lots of FOMO in the markets today. FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FOMO is fear of missing out. And when either one of those takes over, you look for either the crash or the spike in price, a new all-time high. Now, one of the most popular accounts to start buying on is Coinbase. Okay, you can get 10 bucks in the link below if you want to open up a Coinbase account. But they are open in 100 accounts, 100,000 accounts per day. Okay? So what this means is Bitcoin is going up. And guess what else is going up? It's the Coinbase effect. Those people have to buy something. So when somebody opens an account on Coinbase, they make a small initial purchase, and then a couple weeks later, when they feel more comfortable, they put a lot more money into it. And there's only 3 coins you can buy on Coinbase: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And what is going up like crazy right now? All 3 of those. So back to, is Bitcoin in a bubble? Well, first of all, there's a lot of conflation with that term. So what kind of bubble are you talking about when you say Bitcoin is in a bubble? Do you think Bitcoin is more of a tulip-like bubble? In which case, when the real crash finally happens, the world, Bitcoin is going to be wiped off of the world's financial map like tulips were, and it's just going to be basically nerd money traded between a small minority from where it came? Do you think that's going to happen to Bitcoin? Or do you think it's more like going to be like the 2000 tech bubble, where if Bitcoin crashes, for instance, many of those stocks, the tech bubble stocks, are gone. They no longer exist. But if you held Amazon during that tech bubble, if you had it at its peak, Amazon peaked at $107 in that tech bubble, and when it crashed, it went all the way down to $6. But now it's trading at $1,000 today, and it probably went through a couple stock splits too. So if you held Amazon during that crash, you'd be pretty well off today if you kept your stocks. So is Bitcoin like that? Now, lots of people, including myself, don't really think Bitcoin is a bubble. It's more of a pin that pops the bubble. Sure, we're going to have crashes. That's what Bitcoin likes to do in this kind of like a price discovery phase. But Bitcoin is more of a pin than a bubble. Look at this chart right here. It's not Bitcoin. It's money printing. It's how many trillions of dollars the US government is printing. And they are printing trillions and trillions of dollars. It's backed by nothing. And even worse is you can't do anything about it. Okay, so you use their dollars. And the more dollars they print, the less your dollars become worth, the less your dollars can buy. This is basically inflation. Okay, so Bitcoin, everybody knows the rules in advance, right? Only 21 million Bitcoins can ever be printed, mined, whatever. So at least you know the rules of the game with Bitcoin, with and it's decentralized. Okay, it's a program that's going to met out 21 million Bitcoins. Whereas the US government has a central bank that can print money anytime it wants and devalue the cost or the money that you have. So, yeah, it's not really a bubble. It will crash. It will go up. It will crash. It will go up. It will crash. It will go up. Long term, you got to hold HODL because it's really the pin that pops this bubble known as fiat currency. Now you can get a free guide and some free Bitcoin if you go to my website at www.stacksilvergetgoldbybitcoin.com. I also have a pretty cool online training course that's going to show you how to safely buy, sell, secure, and secretly store gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's on sale right now. www.stacksilvergetgoldbybitcoin.com. Check out the link in the show notes below.